Yes, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to InfoBairy YouTube channel with an amazing new video of knowledgeable content. So today we are going to start a very useful AI tool which is known as ChatGPT, and it's cheat sheet of the ChatGPT. How we can use ChatGPT within what are the requirements to get the better results, and what are the command cheat sheet which we can provide to the ChatGPT to get amazing results. So starting with the introduction, we should know about the ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, and in simpler terms, we can say that it's a superpower artificial intelligence assistant that can help you with the various creative tasks. And what OpenAI, we only know about the ChatGPT developed by OpenAI, but the OpenAI also have the more its products. The other one is Delhi. Delhi used for making the images from the content command provided by the user. Delhi also have three different products. Like Delhi was the one, then it have Delhi 2 and Delhi 3, and these are the text to image models created by OpenAI and using the deep learning methodologies to generate digital images from the natural languages descriptions, which we called prompts. The other product of OpenAI is Sora, and Sora is an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions. The difference between Delhi and Sora is that Delhi create the images and Sora create the videos. We can say Sora can generate videos up to a minute long while maintaining the visual quality and the adherence to the user's prompt. Now we can also know about the OpenAI. OpenAI is the computer and information technology company, which is it is a American artificial intelligence research organization, which was founded in December 2015, and then their motto is safe and beneficial artificial general intelligence, which is also defined as the highly autonomous systems that outperform humans at most economically valuable work. So we have to, in this lecture we are going to learn about the commands, how to give commands to the chat GPT to get better result. Before that, before starting the chat GPT cheat sheet, I have, please subscribe the InfoBairy YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more amazing content. So starting with the role, we have to give command to ChatGPT here how to act. There are different type of act roles. Uh, First, act as a writer, act as an expert, act as a copywriter, act as an accountant. So this is the very first step of a ChatGPT cheat sheet. You have to give command. You have to define the role of ChatGPT of your command. Then the second step is define the goal, what you have required. It can be a blog post. So for the second, first you have to decide the role, and then you have to define the goal. These are the different, write a college essay, give me a recipe of proofread this essay, Write a script for a podcast, research the best ways to analyze the following text, write a script of the video. These are the some goals of that role which you are going to act. The third step is you are going to set some restrictions to ChatGPT. What are the restrictions? These are the restrictions. Write in short, long sentences. Whether the sentences are short or long, then you can use simple language, formal language, some extra formal, informal language. These are some restrictions. Tone, this is very important thing. Which tone should be used in that result which ChatGPT will generate for you. I use scientific sources when you are going to make a research paper. Use scientific sources is the most important thing. Then the fourth step of is define the format. What will be the format of your result? Either it is in bullet points, you want to include the table, you want to include the emojis. This is for the basically social media posts. Emojis are used for those things. Answer using code. If you want some poetic writing, you can use this command. If you want some concise, summarize content, you can use be concise. Then add lots of detail. Yeah, write in persuasive tone. Be professional. Answer using the markdown, using number list, split answer into section, include subheadings, include analogy, include a graph. So these are some some commands and some cheat sheets of the chat GPT you can use. We can apply these things in next video. So stay tuned and subscribe the InfoBairy YouTube channel.